Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Crispr Therapeutics today. Has the bearish trend been confirmed? Will we continue to see the price go down in Crispr? Because if so, then guess what? I need to come in and talk to you all about it. So welcome everyone to the channel. First of all, you guys can see already before we did a price prediction in Crispr on November the 4th. I was telling you that we was looking for the price to go higher, and it came all the way up here to this pocket of selling on November the 11th. Since that date, the market in Crispr has been trending down. So maybe the bearish trend is confirmed. Let's find out. Let's get rid of this price prediction here first. That was 13.25%. Let's get rid of this pocket of selling there. This pocket up here is still valid because when the market in Crispr traded up there around $57 on November the 11th, the sellers hit the market and pushed the price down. And currently, it looks like they're still there controlling the price. Look at this. Okay, this is the longer term trend into the market in Crispr. These three pockets of selling is telling you who is controlling the price. We continue to create new areas of pockets of selling in Crispr. Okay, so let's go ahead and do these. This is a pocket here. And we might have created another pocket into the market in Crispr. Let's see. Let's get rid of that pocket of buying because you guys can see here how many times did Crispr hold that pocket when the price did come down. How many days? Like 5-6 days. Market ran up. Then it reached this next pocket of selling. It was only able to trade at $54 to $55.51. That's when the sellers came back through and pushed the price right back down to where the buyers could not hold this pocket of buying right there. They couldn't do it. So now we need to get rid of it. The buyers aren't there. Let me zoom this in a little bit tighter. You guys can see that we're now at another pocket. Let's see what the last time this market was here. So the last time Crispr was trading at this pocket was back in October 2023. So well over a year ago. We come full circle, trading right back in the low 40s in Crispr. This is a very important price level. Look at how many times the market in Crispr held this area. In 2023, October, it did it here in March 2023. It did it also in December 2022 and May of 2022. Okay. Very, very important area. So could we see the price bounce from here? The answer, yes, of course. We've seen it happen numerous times already in the history of this stock trading on the stock market exchanges. Let's look at this on a different time frame though. To think of, let's try to put this like in a probabilistic basis. What percentage would you give the market in Crispr that it will hold that pocket of buying? What would you give it? Is it 50-50? Is it 40-60? 40% chance that the market will hold that pocket? 60% chance that it won't? Is it 30-70? Because currently this stock is weak. Here it is on the 2 right there, and these other 2-day price bars. Crispr on the 3. We got the sell signal triggered on the last 2 bars ago that the market was weak. So for us to see this price trending down, why would we be surprised? The market gave us a heads up 6 days ago. Here it is on the 4. Here it is on the 4 again. These bars right here is telling you this stock is not strong right now. It's not. Given these 2 bars, what are the chances that we'll see the market bounce here? Here's Crispr on the 5. Look at that 5. Look at these 2 5 bars right here. Like, this is ridiculous. That 5-day bar and this one. Like, we got 9 hours and 18 minutes on this current 5. I think we might see the market bounce. Initially, we can see the market bounce in Crispr because that is what the market has done previously. So you got to follow that same premise, that same notion that this stock can do the same thing. But given the many time frames that we look at this chart, and all of the weakness that we're seeing displayed, I don't think the chances are good that this stock is going to hold that pocket though. Here it is on the 2. Okay, this last 2 weekly price bar is telling me that on top of this 2 weekly price bar. What about on the 3? One more day, 10 hours on this 3 weekly price bar. Look at that. Here it is on the 5. And right now on the monthly chart. So I think price in Crispr is still weak. So we're going to put on another expectation that this stock's going to continue to trend down. I'm going to create a pocket of selling right here. Okay. Now, depending on how strong this bounce would be, we could see the market run all the way back up to this descending trend line or even 54. But initially, the market will resume back down to those lower levels. Okay. So our ultimate target probably would be, our first target will be at the low of this first pocket, right? Because I want us to realize, yeah, we can see the market bounce here. And it can stop there and really go higher. If that happens, we need to ensure that we're out the way. So that would give us like what, 4.36%. Next target is going to be all the way down here to like $34, $33.50, 18.48 at the low of that pocket. $32.22 gives us 21.5. So I think we'll keep it there. But I mean, looking at all these multiple time frames, this stock doesn't look bullish. Not right now. But as the trading days go on, as we end out and round out the month of December going into January, we might begin to see something like this. And this is where I would have to say, yeah, those buyers are being very relentless. They're not letting this market go. They'll continue to hold it in this pocket to where eventually it goes up. Okay, so since I think the sellers are controlling the price, the market won't want to stay there long. It won't want to hold this pocket long. The longer that it holds and trades within that pocket, the greater that it is being seen, buyers are trying to hold the market from going lower. Okay, so that's it. That's where I'm at. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.